My name is Mansi and I'm the Associate Director for University Canada West. As you see, I am at the Rao Corporate House in Ahmedabad today, and we had an open day for Canada and US universities.
My name is Nishna Bhatt.
मेरा नाम रौनक मंसूरी है.
Hello, my name is Smith Barot.
Smili Patel.
Tanmay Acharya.
Vinisha Patel from Navsari.
I'm Ananya Bhatnagar and I'm representing Kent State University.
For the first time I'm coming to Rao Consultants office in Ahmedabad for this open house session.
Planning for MBA.
For business analytics.
Pursue MBA in human resource.
Major accountancy.
My MS microbiology. I want to go to USA.
In US.
To USA.
Canada.
Canada my first priority and second is USA.
And I'm so honored to be today at Rao Consultants Overseas Open Fair, and we had a great experience meeting the team. Second.
I received Identity University offer letter on the spot.
Good. I met with the St. Clair College and UCW. It was quite interactive.
September intake in St. Clair University.
I met Kent University, Webster University and Concordia University.
मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह से गाइडेंस मिला, हर एक सवाल का अच्छे से जवाब मिला है.
They are very helpful, or the information that they give us, that is up to mark. And
yeah, it was amazing. It was good. Whatever we have asked, we have got a satisfactory reply, and we are almost clear about the universities, what courses are available, and how to pursue further for it.
This is really awesome, organized.
Today I'm here with Rao Consultants with this amazing event where we were not only able to talk with the amazing team that helps every student out every single day, but we were able to see what the path of these students are going to be coming to the United States after they get their great assessments. We're very happy to be here as Shorelight to be able to provide these opportunities with Rao Consultants and their fantastic and phenomenal working team. Thank you for having us today.
Students were having amazing academic score and English proficiency, so I'm looking forward students submitting their applications, and we will definitely support them to get admissions and I-20s on time.
So if you're planning to study abroad, I think this is the right place to come and explore your options at Rao Consultant.